How to get unbanned on TikTok. Here's a step-by-step guide. Initially, open your browser on your phone. Next, go to the search bar and type TikTok contact and search for it. Then click on the official link from the search result. Once you are inside the help center, use the search bar to type the keyword like account banned and search for it. Now find the section titled Content Violation and Bans. Here, scroll down until you find the heading related to appealing a ban. Furthermore, look for a highlighted link that says Appeal this decision. Again, scroll to the bottom and click on Contact Us. On the form page, select your category, enter your username. Moreover, add your email address. In the additional details, briefly explain why you believe the ban was a mistake. Provide the details that support your case. If you have any screenshot or evidence that support your appeal, make sure to attach them using the upload option. Finally, scroll down and click on the submit and wait for the TikTok to respond. You will receive a message through email after they review your appeal. There you go. I hope this video helped.